Some plants don't just survive year after year. They actually grow bigger, stronger, and more beautiful. In this video, you'll discover 10 amazing perennials that come back bigger every year, saving you time, money, and effort in the garden. Peonies are known for their stunning blooms and long lifespan. Each year, their root systems grow stronger, producing more flowers and fuller plants. Once established, peonies can thrive for decades with minimal care. Daylilies multiply naturally over time, forming larger clumps every season. They are extremely hardy, adaptable, and perfect for gardeners who want reliable color year after year. Hostas are famous for their lush foliage. As the years go by, their leaves become larger and more dramatic, making them perfect for shaded gardens. Coneflowers develop deeper roots each season, leading to taller stems and more blooms. They're drought-tolerant, pollinator-friendly, and incredibly easy to grow. These cheerful flowers spread naturally and return bigger every year. They bring bright color to garden beds and attract bees and butterflies. Lavender plants become bushier as they mature. With proper pruning, they grow larger each year while producing more fragrant blooms. Sedum is a tough perennial that expands steadily over time. Its thick stems and vibrant flowers become more impressive each season, especially in late summer. Many ornamental grasses form larger, fuller clumps every year. They add movement, texture, and structure to any landscape with very little maintenance. Russian sage grows stronger and more expansive each year. Its airy purple blooms and silvery foliage create a dramatic effect in sunny gardens. Shasta daisies spread slowly but steadily. Over time, they produce more flowers and a fuller appearance that returns reliably every spring. These perennials reward patience by coming back bigger and better every year. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Which perennial is your favorite in the comments?